Hey pros, so in today's video I wanted to show you guys how you're able to use our Elite Silk Wrap Foam to literally change your hair life. Now of course my client here is Salt and Pepper. She's also coarse textured and also 100% natural. So we are going to do her mold and put her under the dryer and get her ready for her day by curling her up and making her look as though she actually has a relaxer. So you guys have to stay tuned till the end to see the end result. Now let's talk a little bit about her Salt and Pepper hair while we are molding her with our bomb Elite Silk Wrap Foam, which is actually now back in stock. I know you guys have been waiting for this wrap foam. It is back in stock, you guys. It is available. Now, with that being said, she is Salt and Pepper. One of the biggest problems that we ever see with Salt and Pepper hair is, of course, the texture. But number two, the yellowing that comes along with any type of environmental changes, heat, whatever the case may be. As we know, Salt and Pepper hair has the tendency to pick up that yellow cast. So we are so excited to introduce our new Voila purple toning shampoo for all of my silver foxes, my blondies, my Salt and Peppers, or my gray hair ladies, or even men. So the Voila purple toning shampoo is exactly what you guys hear. It is purple in color. It is a violet shampoo that helps to remove any form of yellow brassiness from the hair. It is sulfate free, nice and gentle, but at the same time super powerful, and a little goes a very long way. Now our Voila shampoo launches on Cyber Monday, so you guys get ready. As you guys know, Black Friday is next week, and we are super prepared because our Black Friday sales begin on Wednesday. Now, for those of you that don't also know, my client also is low porosity. So she would also fall into our low porosity collection, which is our ultra hydrate collection, infused with snail mucin. A lot of you don't even know what snail mucin is, but get into it, get used to it. This is going to change your hydration game, and it is going to leave that hair feeling nice and soft and nourished and hydrated, which is really a big part of it. So for my client here, I highly would recommend our new low porosity collection because I can automatically tell that yes, she definitely is low porosity, you guys. And at the same time, she would be using our Voila purple toning shampoo to keep that Salt and Pepper nice and brass free. Now, I am going through and just trimming her up. I'm not giving her a pixie cut, you guys. This was really just a trim for her. She did want to keep her length. And then I'm using the H2 Pro flat iron. This is the 3/10 of an inch, you guys. Now, you can use whatever iron you choose to use. I've been using H2 Pro for quite some time. This is my go-to brand. So let's talk a little bit about her aftercare. So I like to be very transparent with people. If you are one who wants to have a short style and be natural all at the same time, typically you're going to be wearing your hair in its textured form. I don't recommend heat training short hair. If you are one of those people where you want to be able to wear your hair in a short pixie cut, I'm going to be very straight to the point. A relaxer will probably be your best bet. While I do love my natural babies and I don't discriminate against whatever a client chooses, to put your hair through a ton of heat all the time just to say that you're natural, to me, really isn't worth it, and you're going to do more damage than good. But I'm team whatever you want to do. But for my client here, she just wanted to get her hair done, get it treated, make it look nice, get a trim, most definitely. And then going forward, she more likely wear her hair in its natural form, only because I don't recommend continuous heat on your hair. This is not going to give you healthy hair. If anything, you're going to do more damage than good later on. It might not happen today, but it definitely can happen later. Now, I want you guys to get into the fact that this hair is super smooth. Shout out to the Elite Silk Wrap Foam. And also, we did apply some of our Frizz Control, which is a heat protectant. That is also what is going to protect her hair from turning into that nice brassy yellow that you would get from using a flat iron. So if you guys look close, you can kind of see that purple or that slight lavender in her hair. When you use a purple toning shampoo, such as Voila, the goal of that shampoo is to help remove that brassiness and to also give you the ability to fight off any brassiness that might be coming in from you using a hot tool right after you actually get that original brass out, right? So with purple toning shampoo, for anybody who's a silver fox, anybody who has gray hair, anybody who is a blondie, that is going to be a shampoo that you will always have in your arsenal. It is not a one size fits all. This is something that you will continue to use on a regular basis as a part of your hair care regimen. Now, I know you guys see my client jumping. Definitely, I had to get super close to those roots, you guys. She is natural. But of course, I did my absolute best not to burn her as much as I possibly could. I'm not perfect, you guys. I want my client's hair to look like it's relaxed. And getting close to the root is kind of required. Anyhow, when I was done, I sprayed her with a little bit of our goddess polish, and then I just used a wide tooth comb to comb her out and style her. When she goes home, she would basically just tie her hair around the sides and the back. And I did let her know that, of course, with short natural hair, perspiration is definitely going to bring you right back to your natural hair. But we know that that hair is going to be nice and trimmed, and she's going to be super cute. I use a little bit of Sebastian Shaper just to kind of carve out her hairline, make her look nice and sleek, and my girl was ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Also, you guys, don't forget, like I said, our Black Friday sale begins next Wednesday. We have free shipping day. We have all kinds of different activities going on during that week. And of course, Black Friday, everything is 40% off. Black Friday is also when our low porosity collection launches. Then Small Business Saturday is when our Definitely Curl Defining Gel launches. And then Cyber Monday, hello, is when our Voila Purple Toning Shampoo launches. So you guys have so many different things to look forward to coming from Elite Hair Care. And like I said, you guys, be ready, okay? Because we always end up selling out, and I'm trying my hardest this year to make sure that we have more than enough for everybody. But I can't make a promise, okay? Love you guys. Elite Hair Care USA. Bye.